Yeah, hi everybody, and welcome to Friday's vid. I think you could safely say that the results are in. Last week I asked the question, do I open a new channel for the walkabout Wednesday videos, or do I keep it on this channel? And I've never had so many replies and comments as I did from last week, and by far way over 90% said keep it on this channel. So that's what I'll be doing. One or two people did say open a new channel for various reasons, and they're all valid, but as I said, I'd go with the majority, which thought the same as I did, that the best way was just to keep it on this channel. So that's what we will be doing. Today's video is continuing with the kitchen, building that first unit and then starting to move around the kitchen. I am running out of videos now. I don't go back for until the 11th of March, and today is the 15th of February, so just under a month, and it just happens to be 29 days this February. But as soon as I get back, obviously I will start doing more work. I'm there for 3 weeks. I will start doing more work and building up more videos. The last week, Suze and Mick come over, so in total I've got 4 weeks there, so plenty of time to get some stock footage, if you like. So yeah, enjoy today's vid, and I will talk to you at the end with a little bit more of an update. Okay everybody, take care, cheers, enjoy the vid. Well, as you can see, I've got the first one. This is just going to be a cupboard, hopefully. Probably be a shelf in the middle, but nothing has to fit in there, like a unit or a oven or whatever. So this is just a basic cupboard. And because I'm impatient, what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish the end off as near as damn it, not completely finished, but put the trim on and whatever, just to see what it looks like, and if everything's going to plan. It is all square, I've checked all that. It's not fixed down, it's not fixed to the wall yet. I don't want to do that until I've done all the other little bits. So yeah, I'm just going to put the trim on and see what it looks like. Watch this space. Yeah, it's always great to hear a woodpecker. He's been here for a couple of weeks now, but you can never see them. As soon as they see you coming, they go around the other side of the tree and hide. But yeah, always good to hear them. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and seeing the work continue in the kitchen. I'm back again on Monday doing some more work in there. Yeah, what I wanted to tell you was that next week on Wednesday I'll be doing the first Walkabout Wednesday video. It'll go out sometime in the afternoon, GMT time. So I'm just researching some more of the history of the area that I'm going to. Again, it's not very far from here. It's somewhere I'd actually forgotten about until I travelled through it the other day. I went out in the car and went through this little village and suddenly remembered how much history is there. So yeah, I shall be doing that next Wednesday. But as always, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. Please leave a comment. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing. And I will see you on Monday. Okay everybody, take care, have a good weekend. Cheers.